pick all that. Look at shovels in the ground. Is that a sign? I don't know what all that is. Wild. There's a cop sitting right there. I don't see a vehicle. There's Josh. Hello?
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey, so I'm gonna make a left on 220, right?
What's that?
Make a left on 220?
Yeah, I'm pulling up right now. It's on 220, between 288 and 288 business.
Okay.
It's looks like a F-150 or something on its side. Yeah, it's on its side. Crap spread everywhere.
Okay.
So.
What's that? I'll get that by the next probably about 9 minutes, 10 minutes.
9 minutes. All right, let me get out and talk to this deputy real quick.
Okay.
All right. Go talk to this deputy here real quick since I'm not the actual rotation record. What's up?
Yeah. What is that?
That's mine.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I started my own company.
What company?
Nidox Towing and Recovery. Yeah. So Tow Solutions got the rotation, but he's coming from like Fresno. He's like 10 minutes away right now. He requested me to come help him. So he said I just literally talked to him when I was walking over here. So he's like 10 minutes out. So.
Yeah, I was confused.
Yeah, no, that's why I was like, I need to come over here and talk to him. That way they know what's up. So.
And he don't have a rollback either, does he?
Mm-mm. No, we lifting dollies ought to be able to get it. As long as there ain't a bunch of wheels missing and stuff, we can get it out of there. That ain't a big deal. We'll get it rolled over. No, the thing is trashed. I saw the whole front end's gone on it, so that just makes it easier to junk tow it. get it once we get it rolled over. So.
Well, it's his mom's truck, and they have insurance, so.
Oh, hey, at least they got insurance on it, so yeah. So okay, I'm gonna go snap my pictures and get ready to start rolling that thing over. Josh will be here in just a few minutes, so
okay.
Appreciate it. It's one of the deputies. He used to be a Lake Jackson cop. Now he's a sheriff's deputy. There's stuff spread all the way over here. Pick all that. Look at shovels in the ground. Is that a sign? I don't know what all that is. Wild. Picture of all the debris. It's still got all of its wheels. Look at the imprint in the ground. That is wild. So he ramped it off of this and landed here in like Endode. That is crazy. I'm gonna turn around, or I'm gonna pull up right here, I think. Good news is once we get it rolled over, we can throw all the junk in the bed. We are gonna have a little bit of a side pull, so I'm gonna go ahead and run that one down probably. I think it's gonna side load is too bad. Could run one cable out to each. Trash everywhere. So it like lawn darted all that stuff, which explains why it's like that. Siri answer that. Hello?
Hey, what up, dude? What's that tell you?
Huh? I'm running winch cables out right now. Luckily, it's one of the deputies I know, so.
Okay, make sure you take pictures of it.
All right.
So when I send it into Anderson,
No,
you know, he wants to send all that stuff.
Yeah, no, I got a bunch of pictures.
All right, cool. Appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, no problem. See you in a minute.
I'm about to exit right now.
All right, cool. I'm here.
All right.
All right, bye. That was Josh. And I need other side. I hadn't had a chance to put all my stuff back together. There we go. Get a couple slings. One wheel. Ooh, that sucks. It's like a steel wheel.
One eternity later.
Fell off of me. All right, we got both winches on it. Go ahead and start. There's Josh pulling up. What's that? Yeah, look how he lawn darted into the ground there. Like, there's like posts and stuff down there. Yeah, no, he endoed. I believe he did say they have insurance on it though.
Cool. I'm gonna go ahead and start throwing all this.
Yeah, that's why I figured once we get it upright. Look how it like lawn darted all this stuff. Threw a piece of PVC way over there because he was going this way, so it threw it that way. Yeah, no, he was moving.
Oh yeah. They was just gonna have to come up, bro.
Yeah. No, I'm glad I was close.
Yeah, for sure. You beat me here.
Yeah. Well, this is my neck of the woods here, so.
Yeah, I know. You want a new truck?
No low balling me.
Right. I know what I got. Toss this up. Yeah, no, it's spread everywhere. Like, so there's PVC pipe flew way the heck over here.
Yeah.
Probably gonna see a fishing rod.
Either may or may not be significant.
May or may not.
I don't even want to know.
I mean, I didn't see any, but it's.
Seems.
I mean, he's known. Oh, he's known.
I was gonna come to my stores on that.
Right.
Well,
You good for me to go ahead and finish dragging it up? You good for me to? All right. All right. What's that? That's why which way do you want it to be facing?
I don't give a damn.
You know? Alright. I'll pull it up whichever way you want it.
Which way you want to go with?
I'm just trying to get it away from that divot in the ground first.
Yeah. I mean, either way it go, I got it dotted anyway.
Well, that's why I've kind of figured. I figure if I bring it up frontwards, you can junk chain it in the front and dolly the that rear's flat. Is that front flat too? I'll bring it up however you want it brought up. Yeah, it's flat.
You got it, dolly.
Yeah.
It don't even make a difference. Whichever way you want to go with it, I don't care.
I'll bring it up kind of like that, and then you ought to be able to pretty much just hook it and drag it up.
Yeah. Oh, good.
Oh yeah. Oh, I love this truck, man. I watched this truck for years work. That's whenever I had the chance to buy it, I jumped on it.
All right. It sounds good. I like it.
Running, sliding sideways. Got some resistance. Just about junk chain it. He's calling me now. Call him back. Get this headlight out of here. Ooh. That thing's stuck.
I'll throw a chain on it.
Got it?
Will it make it?
Yep, got it. All right, I'm just gonna kind of hold pressure on the passenger side. Putting these Yankum slings to work today. All right. Hold up. Let me get mine off. Yeah, it twisted up around the axle. This one had that freaking steel wheel. I jumped up there like, God dang it. All right, you're good.
That's not a chain.
Right, well, that's what I like about these slings. You're good now, though. You've got a YouTube channel too, don't you?
I do.
What's your channel? You remember? I know it's been a minute.
Yeah, it's been a long minute, bro. I think it's Rectacers.
I'll drop a link to him down in the comments. I'll find his link again.
Got it.
Nice bumper. Yeah, that bumper pinched it.
Yeah, I just put that baby J in that front car. so it'd be easy to get out.
Right.
Hang up.
Let's get it back in here.
That's what I'm gonna do. I just go right here. I'm gonna swing that motherfucker right here.
That's kind of what I figured you'd jump.
And then just pull up and then have you pick up to the back and then we'll just put the dollies on the back.
That works. Where you want this chain at?
I'm gonna put it on that front A-arm.
Oh, I got you. I got you. You want the big J on there? Or the...
Yeah.
All right. You got another J hook for the other side?
Yeah, it's down over there.
Right here? Oh.
I ain't trying to hit you with it, bro.
No, you're good. That would hurt. So we're gonna junk chain the front here. Oh, this black tire. Let's see what we got to pick up on here. I'm gonna pick it up and make it easier to put the dollies on it. Pull forward. Pop. Winch brake loose. So I'm gonna point my boom at it. So we can lift this thing up. What's up?
I was saying, you want to pull up some to make it easier on you.
I'll stick my boom out, pick it up right there. Just pull this side here. Good there? You want more? You want more? Or you that good?
I want it all the way up.
All the way up?
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get it up and then all I gotta do is
Set it down?
Set it down.
I got you. Hold that. Oh, I want to walk under that. Ooh.
brand new.
I say them brand new. Ain't even had the strap cut off of them.
I haven't even did nothing with them yet. Yeah, these are for my other dollies for my black truck I had built.
Yeah. I've got a new set of in the ditch dollies coming.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're sending them to me.
Oh, shit. That's all right.
They seen one of my videos with the Collins dollies. How far out did you go on that last one?
I'm gonna go all the way out.
All the way out?
Yes, sir. If you need more on that side, just let me know.
I'm good here. I got 3-4 inches sticking out. So
Okay.
you said insides?
Yes, sir. How much room you got on that side?
I got probably 4 or 5 inches sticking out over here.
All right, if you can, slide me just an inch. That's pretty good.
All right.
I gotta get you to lift it up a little bit. Try to lift up your truck a little bit on my end.
All right. Coming up. Got it?
Yeah.
Coming down.
That side locked in?
Yeah. Pull a little bit more slack if you need to.
Huh?
So you can pull a little more slack if you need to. Got it?
Yep. I'm pretty sure this is yours.
Yeah, that's mine. Watch
Like I
out.
said, regular dude, I got this.
No. Appreciate it. All right.
Both sides.
Alright. This thing is trash. I like them hand controls.
Huh?
I like that throttle control back there. That's slick.
Here, there, one there.
I like that. The oil draining out of thing down the fender. There you go. The dirt's shoving that thing.
Hell yeah. Teamwork make the dream work, baby.
Yeah. Just that.
Oh, is that the... Oh, okay.
How you good?
You want this?
What's that?
Give me a sign.
Oh yeah, that's probably for you to sign. Probably ain't gonna stay there, but oh well. Turn the PTO off on mine. Right, we got that one loaded up. We are following Josh right there. We're following Josh over to his yard. Help him get unloaded and all that good stuff. So that's first real good wreck I've worked in the little wreckers. So I think it did pretty good. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.